In this video, I will be showing you how to animate in Fusion 360. With this skill, you can do explosions of designs, presentation, sales, and more. This allows you to make your designs really pop. I have made a truck design for this tutorial here, the Jamie truck. I'm going to teach you the basics of how to animate. To find the animation editor, you find the drop down in the top left of the toolbar and select Animation. At the bottom, there is the animation timeline, which is where you will decide the timings of various components. The vertical line is the playhead, just the same as in any video editing software. I have selected a blank storyboard, which is a clean animation timeline. To change the view, you rotate the view cube or pan. It will automatically record these changes on the view line in the animation timeline. Here we can see it rotate nicely. Note that it takes the beginning and end points and makes a smooth transition between them. To delete an action, in this example, the pan, which is shown on the animation timeline, you select it and delete it. Now we are going to make the doors swing open. Select Move and select Set Move button. You can move the rotation point on that object. For the door, it needs to be on the front right. By holding the rotation markers, you can set how far the door will open. We save this and repeat this whole animation to close the door again. Now I am going to expand the wheel assembly. Use the Move tool again and pull it out. Another option is showing trail line visibility, which adds a dashed line where it moved. You can see that the wheel and drum expanded. Move the actions on the animation timeline to suit your needs. We will need to return the parts back to the main body. For this, we repeat the move action to return them. You can adjust the timing and position of each move. If you're finding this video useful, please consider subscribing. We pan to the front of the car. Let's animate the number plate lettering. Multi-select the components by holding Ctrl. Let's make the name of this vehicle really stand out. We will move the lettering out, then back in. Don't forget to check out my other Fusion videos in my channel. Now let's play back this part of the animation and see how it looks for timing. To show and hide components, you select the object and go into the toolbar and select Show/Hide. It shows on the timeline and you can move it. It is really important to understand that you can only animate components and not bodies. To convert bodies to components, you can select the body in the parts browser, right-click on the body and select Create Components from Bodies. You can see that now you can animate it. To publish the animation, go to the toolbar, select Publish, and select your desired storyboard and output resolution in the video options pop-up. Let's save our animation. Now you should find the video in your files and check your work. Now that you know how to animate, I will link my animation video of a rocket plane concept that I entered into the Velocity Business Challenge. Thanks for watching to the end.